It's one thing that I'm very known for, tripping, both physically and mentally.
What the fuck was that, Red Band? That is crazy.
Red Band, what did you just do?
Have fun bleeping that in the edit.
Nope, we're not editing that out. We're going to keep that one in. I'm going to bring it up 5 more times so
Red
you
Band,
cannot edit it.
only Red Band.
What it was?
Red Band pressed the fucking monkey sound effect.
Very good. Yes, great. Let's talk about it for as long as fucking possible, please, everybody. Can we talk about it all night?
I'm going to bring it up every time you can't edit it out.